Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup in a rice cooker. First, select a rice cooker that offers a soup or slow cook function, which is ideal for simmering. Begin by preparing all your ingredients. Chop vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch. Then, add your liquids, like broth or water, along with any harder vegetables such as carrots or potatoes, to the rice cooker pot. This ensures everything cooks thoroughly and evenly. Once your initial ingredients are in, set your rice cooker to its designated soup or slow cook function. This setting provides a gentle, consistent heat perfect for developing flavors. Let the soup simmer for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until the harder vegetables are tender. Remember to add any softer ingredients, such as pasta or spinach, during the final 10 minutes of cooking to prevent them from becoming overcooked. Customizing your soup is easy and fun. Elevate the taste by incorporating your favorite herbs and spices, along with a simple pinch of salt and pepper. For a more substantial meal, consider adding pre-cooked proteins such as shredded chicken or cubed tofu. Don't forget to adjust the amount of liquid to reach your preferred soup consistency, whether you like it thick and hearty or light and brothy. Now for the best part, serving your delicious homemade soup. Carefully ladle the hot soup into bowls, being mindful of the steam. Garnish with fresh herbs, a swirl of cream, or a sprinkle of cheese if you like. Serve it immediately with some crusty bread or a fresh side salad for a truly satisfying and complete meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.